Welcome back to AI Moneymakers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you don't miss out on any of our deep dives into the world of AI. And of course, all the ways you can use it to, well, make money.
Yeah.
It feels like every single week there's a new AI tool
Mm.
or platform popping up.
Mm.
And honestly, it can feel a little overwhelming.
It really can.
Today, we're cutting through the noise.
Yeah.
We're going to be focusing on how you can actually turn this whole tech wave into a profit stream.
Exactly. Actionable advice. That's what people want.
I am joined by an expert in navigating this rapidly changing landscape.
Right.
They are here to help us break down 5 surprising ways to make money online using AI.
Surprising and effective.
And trust me, some of these are so new.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
flying under the radar.
That's right. We're talking about strategies that are working right now, so you can start taking action today.
Let's dive into the first one.
Okay.
I have been personally experimenting
Yeah.
with TikTok's new affiliate program. And I got to say, the potential
Mm.
is enormous.
It's huge.
You know how TikTok lets you buy products directly in the app now?
Oh, yeah. That's a game changer.
The affiliate program
Yeah.
lets you tap into that.
It's fascinating to see how TikTok has evolved from, a platform for just entertainment to like a powerhouse for e-commerce.
It really is.
Mhm.
And the engagement is incredible.
Totally.
I've been focusing on short, humorous videos that highlight a product's unique features. For example, I did a series on this new type of pet vacuum
Okay.
that picks up hair like magic.
Oh, nice.
And to really boost sales, I partnered with a couple of pet influencers and offered exclusive discount codes to their followers.
That's a smart strategy, leveraging the power of influencers and creating a sense of urgency with those limited time offers.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And the results have been fantastic.
I bet.
The key is understanding what works on TikTok. Short, engaging content. That grabs attention and drives action.
Remember, you don't even have to be on camera if you're not comfortable with that. AI avatar tools have become incredibly realistic, and you can create videos featuring a digital version of yourself.
Yeah, it's amazing how advanced these avatars are now. Like, they can mimic your voice and movements so naturally.
Yeah.
It's like having a digital twin. I've been playing around with these tools myself, and I'm blown away by the realism.
It's a game changer for people who might be camera shy, but still want to tap into TikTok's massive audience. Think about it. 4 out of 10 users on TikTok buy products after seeing them on the platform, and that number increases to 5 out of 10 for live videos.
Wow.
It's powerful stuff.
Yeah, okay. So next up, I've been exploring the world of AI-designed products.
Okay.
And let me tell you, it's been surprisingly profitable. I started by selling designs on Etsy. Things like phone cases. With unique AI-generated artwork, I even sold some cool flower wool art pieces.
That's awesome. It's remarkable how AI is democratizing design. You don't need to be a professional artist to create stunning, sellable pieces.
Absolutely. Tools like Midjourney make it incredibly easy to generate different styles of art.
Yeah.
From watercolor and line art to even 3D effects. I've been experimenting with different prompts and parameters to create unique designs that stand out. For example, I created a series of Japanese-style prints by inputting prompts like cherry blossoms in the style of hokusai.
Oh, wow. That's a great example of how you can use specific prompts to achieve a desired aesthetic. It's like having an AI art director at your fingertips.
It really is. And what's even better is that you don't have to deal with inventory or shipping. I use a print-on-demand service called Gelato, which handles all of that.
Gelato is fantastic for creators who want to focus on the creative side without the logistical headaches. You can upload your designs, create mock-ups, and Gelato takes care of the rest.
Exactly. I've been really impressed with the quality of their products.
Yeah.
And the ease of use. I've actually placed orders myself to check the quality.
Yeah.
And I've always been happy with the results. Plus, their platform is super user-friendly. They have both free and paid plans. And the paid plans offer valuable perks.
Oh, nice.
Like discounts and automation features,
Cool.
which are perfect for personalized products.
Those features can be real time savers, especially as your business grows.
For sure. I've found it's been a great way to create a passive income stream, especially with those personalized product options.
Yeah.
All right, ready to move on to our third money-making strategy.
Absolutely. Let's hear it. This next one is all about becoming like the AI guru.
Right.
It's incredible how many people are still trying to figure out AI, and that presents a huge opportunity for those willing to share their knowledge.
Yeah, it feels like everyone's scrambling to catch up. But you don't have to be a coding genius
Yeah.
to capitalize on this. I found that you just need to be a few steps ahead of the curve.
Exactly. The key is to niche down, master a specific aspect of AI. You could focus on prompt engineering for a particular tool, or you could become an expert in using AI for marketing, or even teach people how to create AI art.
Yeah,
Well,
and there are so many ways to monetize that knowledge.
mm-hmm.
I've been experimenting with creating digital products,
Oh, cool.
like ebooks and mini courses.
Yeah.
People are hungry for this information, and they're willing to pay for it.
It's a smart move. Digital products are a great way to create passive income. You put in the work up front, and then you can sell it over and over again.
Exactly. And don't forget about the power of community. I started a paid membership group where I share exclusive tips, tutorials, and resources.
Okay.
It's been a great way to connect with like-minded people and build a loyal audience.
That's a fantastic strategy. Building a community around your expertise creates a sense of belonging and it fosters deeper engagement.
Absolutely. And it's not just about one-time sales. I've also been offering one-on-one coaching sessions, which have been incredibly rewarding.
Yeah.
It's amazing to see how excited people get when they start to understand the power of AI and how it can help them achieve their goals.
There's a real sense of empowerment that comes with mastering these tools. And the best part is that AI is constantly evolving. So there's always something new to learn and share. This means there's a constant stream of content and a growing demand for your expertise.
Right. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a sustainable business based on knowledge and value. Now, this next one might surprise you. I've been working with small businesses to help
Yeah.
them implement AI solutions.
Okay.
And let me tell you, the potential is huge.
I love this approach because it's all about solving real-world problems. Small businesses are often looking for ways to streamline their operations and improve efficiency, and AI can be a game changer.
It really can. I recently helped a dental practice set up an AI-powered appointment scheduling system.
Interesting.
It integrates with their website, and it handles all incoming calls, freeing up their staff to focus on patient care.
That's a fantastic example. Think about all the businesses that could benefit from something like that. Salons, law firms, restaurants. The possibilities are endless.
They really are.
Yeah.
And you don't need to be a coding wizard to create these solutions.
Right.
There are plenty of no-code platforms available that make it really easy to build AI-powered tools.
Those platforms are incredible. They empower anyone, regardless of their technical background, to harness the power of AI. It's like having a team of developers at your fingertips.
Exactly. And there's a lot of money to be made.
For sure.
Businesses are willing to pay a premium for solutions that can save them time and money.
It's a win-win situation.
Right.
The businesses get the tools they need to thrive, and you get to build a successful business by providing those solutions.
Okay, ready for the fifth and final way to make money with AI.
Absolutely. I'm on the edge of my seat.
This last one is all about helping creators. And it's an area that's ripe for opportunity.
Okay.
I've been working on this one myself,
Yeah.
and it's quickly become one of our most successful ventures.
Okay, you've really got me intrigued now. Tell me more.
It's all about content repurposing. Using AI. Think about it. Creators, they are under so much pressure to be everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you name it.
Yeah, they've got to be everywhere.
But creating fresh content for each platform is a massive time suck.
It's a constant struggle for creators to keep up. You know, they're often stretched thin,
Yeah.
trying to wear all the hats.
Right, and that's exactly where this opportunity comes in.
Hmm.
I realized I could offer a service to help creators repurpose their existing content
Oh,
using AI.
interesting.
Let's say someone has a great YouTube video, okay?
Mhm.
I can use AI tools to turn that single video into short-form clips for TikTok and Instagram, snappy text-based posts for Twitter and LinkedIn, even a full-blown blog post or newsletter article.
So you're essentially maximizing the reach of their original content by transforming it for different platforms and audiences.
Right.
Yeah.
And there are some fantastic AI tools that make this super efficient.
Okay.
I use one tool to break down long videos into bite-sized clips, complete with captions and music. And another tool helps me turn video scripts into different written formats. Pretty amazing how much AI can handle.
Wow. But I imagine there's still a human element involved, right? You can't just let the AI run wild.
Absolutely. That's where my expertise comes in.
Hmm.
AI can do the heavy lifting, but it takes a human eye
Hmm.
to make sure the repurposed content is high quality on brand and tailored for each platform.
Mhm.
I make sure everything sounds natural and engaging, not robotic or generic.
That makes sense. It's a valuable service because you're not just automating a task, you're providing a strategic approach to content repurposing.
Exactly, and it's been incredibly lucrative. I've been targeting mid-level creators with around 50,000 to 200,000 followers.
Okay.
They have a decent audience, but often lack the resources to manage everything themselves.
Mm-hmm.
I've found that specializing in a specific niche like personal finance or sustainable living helps me attract the right clients.
That's a smart strategy. Niching down allows you to position yourself as an expert and build a reputation in a specific community.
Well, there you have it. 5 genius ways to make money with AI. We've covered everything, from TikTok affiliate marketing to AI-designed products, and even how to position yourself as the go-to AI guru.
I'm blown away by the sheer variety of opportunities out there. It's clear that AI isn't just a tech trend. It's a powerful tool that anyone can use to create income and build a successful business.
And that's what we are all about here at AI Moneymakers. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for more deep dives into the world of AI and online income. We're back next week with another episode packed with actionable strategies and insights. Until then, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep those AI profits rolling in.